When we talk about finances or money, a lot of memories are involved on that. So what of course, we have some restriction about whatever we would like to do in our life, financial restrictions. But just to say restriction, there are a lot of memories that comes up. So usually when I am in that feeling, I change my inner state. I work into myself to say what is going on that I perceiving that restriction, and I don't never want to stay in that state of I cannot afford that. I cannot go there because of lack of money, or maybe there are the economical crisis in the country. I don't never want to stay in that state. So I apply my tools. I don't know. I drink blue solar water, whatever. I do my cleaning on that thinking and on that feelings. So for me, money, it is always emotions. It is not about reality, because we can live with I don't know $1 per day, and we can live with $1,000 per day. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. What is so much important? It is how do we feel inside ourselves and looking into ourselves. And for example, if I have a lack of clients in some moment, and I work and I go into my garden outside and I work, I take my dogs and I clean. I work into myself. Do not be concerned about that, because if I'm concerned, I do not trust to the divine intelligence. So I go to take a walk, I do some breathing, and I clean, I let go everything that's keeping me in that feeling of I'm not enough, I'm not in an economical good situation. And always divinity answered to me. Always. What is important is not to be stuck in the feeling that I'm not enough, I have not enough money, or my financial situation is not good in this moment, or will not be good in the future. That's memories. If I have not saving for this future, that's only memories. Who knows what will happen in the future? So we have to be in balance, to be in our connection in this moment, right now, and going back to zero, always going to let go any thoughts, any memories that keep us stuck in that situation. And I want to say that when we have a financial problem, it is because we are stuck. We cannot move on. That's so much important. So what I need is to restart again, to renovate something. Also, small things that I have to renovate in my business, in my work, and for doing that, I always do the cleaning, and then I'm open to everything that comes up.